started 10. It's now 8:15. We are still on a good track. People that are here, most of them are the officials that are on duty, and some of you are yourselves coming to collect accreditation, and some are obviously from afar, and they walk up very early, hence they are here. But what I'm told is that police are busy now sweeping the venue. After they have swept the venue, they will then hand it over to the department for us to then start with our function. The other issue about iICC, there is no issue. We will not be here if there was an issue. These are things that are done well, way in advance of the event. You will recall that yourselves we started advertising that we're going to come to iICC almost 3 weeks ago, which is an indication that everything was about that. Around 9, I think we start getting inside the venue. We are quite happy. We're quite happy. It's not that it came as a surprise. We dedicate this success to the hard-working educators that we have as a province, that they've been sacrificing their weekends, their holidays, morning and afternoon, and we thank the learners that when they were wanted for extra lessons, they did go to attend those lessons, and the support that they were getting from their parents. And the improvement plan that we had as from the beginning of the year, we were building up on the academic improvement plan that we implemented in 2023. Then we wanted to maintain or increase. It comes as no surprise, but we are very much grateful, and we now have a standard that we have set to say we can reach 90%. So come end of this year and next year, January, when the results are announced, we are very much hopeful that we'll surpass that.